Welcome to our presentation on social learning theory. Today we will explore how people learn by observing others and why this theory is important in education, workplaces, and everyday life. This presentation was prepared by Azenatha Teka, Nekele Amjad, Yilak Feinti, Goodluck Mushi, and Dennis Mutegi. So, what is social learning theory? It is the idea that people learn by observing others, imitating behaviors, and interacting with their environment. In simple terms, learning is not just about doing, it's also about watching and thinking. This theory emphasizes that people both influence and are influenced by the world around them. The main idea of the social learning theory is that learning is a process. It involves observing others, thinking about the consequences of their actions, copying or modeling behaviors, trying the behavior ourselves, reflecting on our experiences, and finally, building belief in the behavior. So, learning is not instant, it develops step by step. Now, let's look at the founder of this theory, Albert Bandura. He was a Canadian American psychologist born in 1925, who later became a professor at Stanford University. Bandura challenged the idea that learning only happens through rewards and punishment. Instead, he showed that people can learn simply by observing others. Bandura once said, "Most learning is gained by people's perception and thinking about what they experience." This highlights the importance of observation and thinking in learning. One of Bandura's most famous studies is the Bobo doll experiment. In this experiment, children watched adults behave either aggressively or calmly towards a toy. Afterward, the children were observed. The result? Children who saw aggressive behavior also acted aggressively. Some even created new behaviors. This shows that learning is not just imitation, it's also adaptation and creativity. This experiment teaches us several important things. One is that people learn by observing. Two, learning can occur without direct rewards. And three, that role models and media strongly influence behavior. It also shows that rewards and punishment are not the only factors in learning. They influence learning indirectly. Bandura introduced 4 key processes in learning. One is attention. Are we paying attention? 2 is retention. Do we remember what we observed? 3 is reproduction. Can we perform the behavior? And 4, motivation. Do we want to do it? All these steps must happen for learning to be successful. So, what does this mean for teaching? It means that teachers should model positive behavior. They should use demonstrations and examples, encourage group learning, use media and technology, build learners' confidence, and provide constructive feedback. These strategies help students to learn through observation and interaction. In learning design, this theory encourages us to use videos and real-life examples, to promote engagement and collaboration among learners, to create social learning environments, and to support motivation and confidence. This helps learners to actively participate and learn effectively. Social learning theory is widely used in real life. Within higher education, social learning theory is exemplified by group discussions, peer teaching, and instructor modeling. In organizations, we see a lot of on-the-job training. We see mentoring programs and also learning by observing as experienced by employees. Learning happens naturally through interaction and observation. What are the advantages? The advantages of social learning theories include the fact that it works well in social environments. It encourages interaction and collaboration among learners. In terms of challenges, the social learning theory requires active participation. It depends on good role models to be effective. The key message is simple. Social learning theory suggests that learning is social. We learn from others all the time. These are the sources that informed our presentation. Thank you for listening. We hope this presentation has helped you understand how powerful learning through observation can be.